Ladies, this is definitely for you, because we know how y'all with leftovers. After that second day, y'all throwing it out. We about to take this leftover chicken and turn it into a lemon chicken and orzo soup. We almost done with the hardest part, which is just cutting all the chicken off the bone. And it's okay if you get a little bit of skin and fat in there, just gonna add flavor, but you just don't want no little bones like this. You know what I'm saying? These little bones might kill somebody. Make them drop dead. Little Josh Dean. Some minced garlic. Then you go in with your chicken broth. After that, drop in your little bay leaf. Smelling good up in here now. We're about to drop in our shredded chicken after we add the lemon juice and the orzo noodles with some fresh tomato that's been seasoned. Don't eat the leaf. You know what I'm saying? Don't eat the leaf.